everyone and welcome to my channel. So today is day number 24 of challenge 30 days 30 bikes. I'm gonna ride the Zora bike. It's a Master Zora Cargo bike. They united with the Yota bike now, so Yota bought them, I guess, and they do have three type of different cargo bikes right now available, which I reviewed actually two already. I'm gonna post link in description. The best feature I like it's comes with a foldable footrest, and also it can be used for delivery, for everyday use. Carry your kids. I carry usually my two kids on the back, but today I'm gonna go for the challenge. I'm gonna ride alone, so let's go and talk about the challenge and also some other stuff. Yeah, I didn't ride the bike for a while already, so far, let's see, I need to wipe up the dust. So this bike has 258 miles, and I didn't ride it for a while since my kids went to school now and they want to stay school late. It's getting darker, so basically they don't want to ride right now, and it was cold, and I know they would want to usually, but they want me to pick them up from school, but again, too busy with other stuff, so I was kind of busy to ride this. And I have another cargo bike from Yota, which I need to install the fans and try to ride them and make another video about this challenge. It doesn't matter what bike you ride, as long as you continue riding. It's good to ride regardless what kind of bike. It's good to pedal if it can. For example, yesterday I was riding with no pedals, motor goat, but it was fun, just like fun to ride. But the benefits was only to be outdoor. If you stay indoor, it's good, but when you're outdoor, regardless day or night, it's better to fresh air. And I'm gonna get right over here. And this bike like a tank as well. The one I have, it's a no front fork suspension. They do have a model with a front fork. Actually, they have three models right now. And let's check out our river. And the river is empty, so no more rain, I guess. And thumb throttle. I like the thumb throttle, but the speed on this bike, we're gonna test it out. It's a little bit windy, so I'm gonna make a one round and then we're gonna check the speed. I believe on throttle only I got about 27 miles, but with my kids I could go above 24, and it was all on short distance. I didn't go for longer ride, and I noticed some bikes perform a little bit better on short, but this bike is pretty powerful. I never took this bike to uphill test. I never have actually any request for that, but I think it will do really well uphill as well, because the motor feels powerful, and the motor actually really working good even after 258 miles. I have no issue with this bike at all. I like the brakes on this bike. It's one of the best kind of heavy duty on all of, like, on this bike. My other bike, like I might have it later, Yota Leopard, have the same brakes, and that's why I find out it's the same factory probably. So basically now it's the same company, so they use the same brakes. It's see-through oil, you can see how much oil inside. Also nice display let's say it actually showed me less, well, about the same. On GPS is 11 and display, so it's actually display show a little bit less, and based on display I was getting 27, so I did get solid 27 on throttle only before I installed the bell over here. And the bike is right now I think on big sale. You might want to check link in description. But again, it's all about today riding this bike. This bike is number 24, so I have 6 more bicycles to ride. And the next one will be probably 5th wheel, most likely, or Yota bike. Need to check. Maybe it's a goat bike, a goat Billy, but I need to check which one. But probably I'll take more if the weather nice tomorrow, and if I have time, or no, probably. Yeah, I want to take that one off-road. I already took it. I love to ride that bike off-road. It's a full suspension. With this bike, it's great to ride on the street like this, but for off-road, the front fork is not as good. And about the new video I just posted for Motor Goat V3, amazing bike. I feel it takes a little bit longer time for me to edit all, because a lot of things going on. All plus, I did not want to miss any day of riding the challenge. It's my challenge for 30 days, and I said I will keep it up riding for 30 days just to prove that you can do that. And again, I feel improvement for myself, but if you ride the bike often, comment below. And what do you think about the challenge? Can you do that? And that's my testing for this. It's a little bit windy today, that's why I didn't want to go. Actually, pretty windy, and that's good that, yeah, very windy. And this bicycle position, I think all of the cargo bikes, almost all of them, like the handlebar a little bit low, so it's like more sport style on this. And I noticed most of them for some reason comes like that. I'm not sure why, but it is comfortable pedaling. The seat is comfortable, and I love it. So the goat bike video, the one with the speed test, I did post assembly video, and I show you basically the top speed it could go. It does not mean that you will reach the speed, because I don't know how much you weigh, what terrain, incline you're going to, and also the settings. When I did recording, I forgot to switch to strength number 5, and that might make the difference. And because of that, the speed might be actually faster for short period. So once I publish, you'll see the full video. I did a mini test. I did test as usual, then I test for longer ride on the street, and the bike was going pretty good from 36 to 46 on average. So just give you example, the place where I got 46, I wrote a Rave Bullet GTX there, and the Rave Bullet GTX made the maximum 34, which was great. So at the same place, I easily kicked. I didn't want to go that fast, honestly, because it was my first kind of riding on the bike that fast, and I was not sure if it can handle. And also it's above the speed limit on the street. It was like 40 miles street, but I know people going faster. But again, cars went about the same speed as I did. Actually, some of them went slow. So that's why 46 was pretty fast for me on the street. and that's why I didn't want to go faster. Do I think if it can go faster? Most likely yes, depend on the rider, also the tuning, depend on the probably the settings. And I was told the new like goat delivery, like the new batches will have a more upgrade, not upgraded, like I guess it's upgraded software on the controller, which will make them a little bit faster. So I'm not sure how much faster and if it's real or not. Maybe somebody can test it and show the video or post it in the group. So if you never join the GOAT group, welcome to join on the Facebook GOAT bikes fan group. Also, I do have a group for Zora and Yota bike, which not run by the company. I am the one who like admin over there. So if you post, so I will make sure any concern you post are not deleted unless you just post something and you cannot prove anything. Like I know sometimes spammers comes and post, so I do not allow any spammers like spam like porn or whatever like they posted. So or some Chinese unknown people come and just market the bicycles. It's maybe even scam. So if I never have any experience with a bike company, I usually do not allow any post because I don't want you to get scammed. And that's a reason I usually do not, all my groups usually clean from anybody outsider. So if somebody comes from many like scammers, like posting like battery from a known person, which I never have experience with, or bikes, I usually block them or do not allow this. So let's test it out. Pedal assist level 5, actually 9, but I'm in eco mode. Let's see if I settings, change it. I need to change to, I don't remember even how to set. Oh, you have to set, press the settings and then to go to advanced maybe. Current 15 amp and throttle, yes. So I don't remember exactly, but I set on the eco mode, which should consume less power. But let's see if I can actually change it. I don't remember. Oh yeah, it's right here. Eco mode, normal power mode. I'm not sure if that will help. And then you exit. And now it's in the power mode. I'm not sure if it actually makes a difference, but it looks correct now. So let's go. It's 52 volt battery right now, and see how fast I can go. It's 18, 22 on GPS, 23 on GPS, 24 on GPS, 25, 26, 27, and you can hear the brakes, very quietly brakes, and 27 on based on GPS on throttle only, which actually illegally fast for bicycle on throttle only in California, I guess. But let's go this way, it might go even faster. Also, this bike comes with turning signals, which is great for safety. Over here is a button, you can switch it. And I just do it for fun, this testing, but I already have the video, and I believe first time I did it was like 26 on normal mode. So this way might be different because of wind. So it's 21, 22, and I go with GPS 23. Oh, it's windy. 24, 25, 26, 27, and I'm gonna brake here. look, it's only like about 2 meters. Actually I have a little bit line from the stopping, so tire marks burning. I don't feel the smell, but I can say that brakes work great on the bike. If I want to press harder, I would probably stop faster, but I usually don't brake that hard. And because I'm using the bike, some people burning the tires, and I don't want to replace them soon. I'm good with the bike, and I replaced the puncture like I got, and it was really bad, probably cut from some glass. I'm not sure. I ran over with my kids, and mostly I ride with the kids, so we do go up to the limit on this bike of the maximum weight capacity usually with my kids. So this bike handled pretty good so far. 260 miles on it, and I think it's the most useful bike I have, which I use the most usually. And I didn't ride that much recently every single bike because I switch them every day because of this challenge. So for the last 25 days I rode, or 24 days, or yeah, last 24 days I rode, well, I rode actually more than that, but I rode 24 e-bikes every day, different. And I rode sometimes 2 bikes at the same day, but I didn't post because the bikes was from unboxing video, so I didn't count them in this challenge. I might record them for the next day riding again, but I did ride, and I still ride 24, so I have 6 more days. So today is 27, so I should finish by yeah, February. So, and then I will have a little bit more time, and then I will sell some of the bikes. I find that I don't need them because I have too many, and I cannot really keep up the space. I need to free up the space. I hate to park outside, and also I need a new bicycle to arrive, so I need to free up the space for new bicycles. But this bike actually like a monster. It's like really powerful for cargo bike. Also nice brakes, which stand better than on many bikes I reviewed, and it's comfortable to ride. I do have mirror here. They send me 2 mirrors. It's 3 mirrors included, but I usually don't use this, but sometimes. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow.